We are in Akron, Ohio, because one of the companies we work with, Equity Trust, they manage, or they're the custodian of IRA dollars. And so when we have investors that want to invest out of their retirement plan, they basically go through Equity Trust, and then their investment comes into ours. They had an event out here for some of their larger clients and then some like strategic clients as well. And it was cool. Their headquarters are in Ohio. They set up a day paired with the PGA Tour. They set up a round of golf at this super nice country club, dinners all week long. We felt like, one, it'd be cool to come out and see everybody. And two, we have a property out here. We have a storage unit in Parma Heights. And myself and Michael had never been to it before. So I wanted to go check it out. I wanted to get some content, photos and videos. And then we had a multifamily project in Richmond Heights that we ended up selling about a year ago. And I wanted to go check it out. We first came out here, gosh, 5 or 6 years ago. We came out in like February. It was snowing. It must have been like 20 degrees. It was freezing. The mall was pretty distressed. Like I remember walking through the mall going, it almost felt eerie. And Richmond Heights had a long way to go. But there was a neighboring city called Beechwood, and they had basically just developed this big kind of mixed use area, living in a hotel, bunch of retail. And we were like, okay, this mall is on like the perfect path of progress. And then now coming back, there's been a lot that's happened. There were some of the apartments that we looked at that just opened. They're, been around now 5 years. There's new apartments that came up. You're definitely seeing growth happening here. And it's summer, so, no pea coat and scarf this time. My overall takeaway from the trip, we had a really fun time because we got to hang out with some cool people. We got to play a lot of golf. It was great checking in on our Parma Heights property. That one's a newer one for us. We're only about 46% occupied, so we've completed construction, I believe, in 23. So it was great checking up on that property and just spending time with Equity Trust. And this is something I want to say to anyone watching us. Don't forget that you can invest out of your IRA in alternative investments. It doesn't only have to go into the stock market. And Equity Trust has been great for that. We've had a lot of new investors come in this year. Don't sleep on it. Alternatives are some of my favorite asset classes that you can use to diversify your entire portfolio. So thank you, Equity Trust, for having us out here. We appreciate you guys, and everyone else, we'll see you back in California.